Hey guys, Sora's RC here. It's a very cold day today. I did find a spot though that I've never been to. Saturday afternoon, no one's gonna be around. Got my Ruckus out here. That's why I have my truck in my trunk today. This is what I would have brought my other RC out here. Looks like a pretty nice, nice construction site. Ruckus, like I said, my body was all torn up, but I got some Gorilla tape in there. Definitely stiffen it up. Patched up all the cracks. But like I said, it's about 20 something degrees, low 20s Fahrenheit. The wind chill all the way down to the teens, man. It's a little bit windy. But I haven't run my RCs in such a long time, so any chance I get, I'm gonna try to get some time in. Whether it be in this cold, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna break something on the Ruckus today. Even though it's a very durable truck, but in this kind of freezing weather, something's gonna break. But that's okay. ECX parts are pretty cheap. I'll take that hit. Find a pretty fast part to part. I gotta walk down to the field there. Actually, I was gonna go to the other office. It's a little warehouse down the street from here that has a nice little asphalt ramp that's kind of part of the parking lot, part of the loading docks. I was gonna do some jump. Well, if I went there, I definitely would brick something. But here, I'm just gonna, maybe if I don't do any crazy jumps, I don't see any big ramps here, so this guy may actually survive. So let me actually just take a picture real quick. YouTube guys, see. Terrain like this, the Ruckus is actually very good on. I remember taking this guy to like various different construction sites, huge bumps, you know, rocks everywhere. But the big tires and everything kind of soaks it all up. Yeah, and terrains like this, this is probably the best truck for it. None of my other RCs would have handled this terrain here. Oh, little trench here. Spring's coming, so a lot of construction site is breaking ground, which is great. Because where I live in Connecticut, there's literally no, actually, the part of Connecticut I live in, there's not a lot of land. Everything is developed. Rarely found any, there are parks and stuff, but it's all grass and stuff like that. It's hard for me to find any kind of dirt to run my RCs on. So springtime is usually the best, where I drive around, kind of look for construction sites to break ground, and just come in here on a Sunday and Saturday, and when no one's around, and just bash my RCs. I'm running my Zippy 5400 milliamps. I think it's 40 or 50 Cs. Plenty enough for the Ruckus here. Let's go up there and see what's going on up there. A little wet here. Mostly frozen. Nice little Mack truck there in the background there. Cool. Oh, this is a pretty cool site here. Might come back out here. Oh, look at this little pit here. Sweet. Oh. Oh man, this is awesome. I haven't found a spot like this in a while. Oh, look at that. some of you guys who have good bashing spots, no, this might be nothing to you, but this is awesome for me. Beats running around the parking lot. Just an open field parts where it's just kind of boring. It's very boring running RCs in those terrains. And I have no idea what's over the other side, so let's not launch over there. Yeah, look at it. It's this Ruckus is awesome. Just terrains like this, just dance around it. Hop around like a little happy camper. Look at that, man. Look at this. It's doing pretty well. Oh! This is awesome. Well, running the Ruckus on like an open field is really boring. Oh, crap. Something died. What? What the hell? Ah, shit. What happened here? Battery coming. Ah. Stupid thing came unplugged. Shoot. I do have a second battery, but now I'm gonna walk all the way back. Shove it in. Damn it. Alright, let me change the battery after that. Alright. Wasted solid 5 minutes of daylight, so I can swap out the battery. Battery leads came undone, so I got some soldering tonight. Swapped out my zippy battery for a Hobby Star 52 milliamps 45C 2S LiPo. Soft pack, not hard though. Well, this truck like to run hard packs. It takes a lot of abuse. But it's alright. Battery seems to run stronger than my Zippy, who has like 50C, so seems to give it a little more punch. Remember guys, it's like 20 degrees out here with some wind chill factor, so all these dirt, it's like pretty much just hard as hell. Oh, ow! I already cracked the body in a couple of places. I just checked. Even the spots where I had the Gorilla taped on, just snapped it. It's so cold out here. Truck still runs.